story. There was an old witch. She forgot all the time. This is the garden. Oops, where is my cat? Meow, I am on the tree. This is the bathroom. Oops, where is my wand? It is behind the curtain. This is the bedroom. Oops, where's my book? It is in the drawer. This is the kitchen. Oops, where's my lamp? It is on the table. This is the living room. Oops, where's my umbrella? It is next to the door. One day, she went to a party. She had a lot of fun at the party. She's on her way home. Oops, where's my house? Oh no.